Hi, in this video I try to compare the Bamboo writing pad, Wacom Bamboo writing pad with HUION Inspiron 2 dial or dial 2, Inspiron dial 2 with XENCELABS writing pad. This is the old writing pad I used to have. The issue which I had was this pen was too thick to hold, even though the eraser was at the back, and the nibs lasted quite a long time, like almost 10 years. This has been my main writing pad all these years. Now, because of the size of this pad, size was too small for my use case. My use case was, I'm not a graphics designer. I usually use writing pad for diagrams, drawing diagrams in a video conferencing, or sketching up something to show people on the screen as a part of my work. So this size was too small, and holding of this pen to write on it was becoming too difficult. I tolerated this for a very long time. Then I decided recently, let me see what's there in the market. All my research led down to two of these tablets. One is the HUION, and another one is XENCELABS. XENCELABS had a lot of good ratings on the YouTube, as well as fellow YouTubers, and even some of the YouTubers did recommend this as well. What I found, I bought this off from Amazon, and this is not a sponsored video from any one of them. I bought this paying my own money, but I found that the pen, you can see, just in a couple of days use, it's made of a rubberish material. I can grip the pen very well, but the issue is you can see it collects a lot of dust particles very quickly. And for my use case, I tried to configure these pads for a zoom in, zoom out. I had a lot of issues configuring them. So I also found it was a bit laggy while writing. I can show you a bit. So this is my screen. If I try to write here, I felt it was it's a bit laggy while I draw on the pad. This is a Microsoft whiteboard, and if you see in OneNote, I think this will be the same experience. So I felt a bit faster in Microsoft in OneNote than that. But anyway, but the main okay, first of all, XENCELABS, it has given me two pens. One is very thin on the hand, it's like a pencil, and the other one with a thicker holding grip, but it's got a few options here. I think both of them, I found them to be very soft to hold. That's okay, but the main which I found the best is this pen. I could almost use it like a pencil. And then even though it had a similar lag, for example, if I use this here, I somehow found this to be tiny bit faster in response than the HUION. The same thing with here. So, and another benefit which I saw is this has eraser at the back. The back tip, it works as eraser. If you turn it around and rub it, it works as an eraser automatically, which is what I had in my Bamboo Wacom bamboo pen. But that is not available in HUION. You have to either configure one of these buttons or one of the shortcuts to act as a quick eraser, and that's possible. But this was pretty quick to access for me. So I found XENCELABS to be much more useful for my use case, and I have decided to keep this, replacing my old decade-old friend, should I say. Just to compare the sizes, you can see that in comparison, my old Bamboo Wacom tablet or a writing pad to this, you can see that is quite big, and it really helps in making some drawings on the screen. This has got 16:9 kind of an aspect ratio, but yeah, compared to XENCELABS, this is a little bit smaller unit, but I think the edges, you can see they're much thinner than the XENCELABS. So even though it looks chunkier, that may be a disadvantage, but I have not found that as an issue. It has got some shortcut keys, 3 shortcut keys in XENCELABS, but this has got a lot of them. But some of them, especially the tiles, just did not work for me. So yeah, I kind of gave up on that. Yeah, that's it. Hope this video helps for some whoever is looking to buy, either buy as a first time buyers for the writing pads, or replacing any of them old ones, at least as somebody in the, not necessarily in the graphics industry, but a regular user, otherwise, to just sketch up and show something on the screen as a part of meetings and etc. This I found to be very, very good. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I would like to hear your comments, your experiences, and okay, thank you all.